how to measure dining surfaces. We're measuring dining surfaces, we're going to look for the accessible tables in each of the dining areas. Most instances you'll have an ISA symbol on the table somewhere. It's usually the quickest way to find your accessible table. Once you found that table, you're going to want to take the width of the table, you want to take the length of the table, you're going to want to take the height from the top of the table, and you want to measure the height to the bottom of the table. At this point, we're going to start showing you how to take your knee and toe clearances. When we're thinking about knees and toe clearances, the best way to remember it is everything above 9 inches up to 27 inches is your knee clearance. So we're going to measure that down here, and we're going to go down to 9 inches and construct a plane and see if there's any items that will prohibit your knee from going all the way through. At this point, you see that we have the support for the tables at that location. So we're going to measure back to the supports from the face of the table, and that would be our clearance. Again, we will also want to always double check, go back down to 9 inches, and make sure that there is no other obstruction at that level as well. Anything below 9 inches to 0 inches is where our toe clearances are concerned. We're going to want to double check that dimension as well. At this location, we notice that we have a plate that is above the 0 inch plane. So we do need to know that location, and we need to know it from the face of finish. One of the tricks we like to use is to get our handy dandy ruler and locate it at the face of finish. That way we can then go in and measure the distance from the face of the table to the obstruction. A few other things that need to be noted with all tables is if the table is a parallel or a forward approach. A forward approach table would be any table that you would slide into moving forward. A parallel approach table would be any table or counter that you would access by being parallel to the table, such as I'm facing now.